Huge loads, extreme conditions, and extreme skill. This is the pinnacle of heavy haulage. From nerve-wracking descents to giant machines navigating incredibly tight spaces, every move is a vital test of strength and precision. Experience an inspiring journey that showcases the raw power and coordination needed to conquer steep slopes and tight turns. A true lesson in how to navigate the most extreme terrain. The journey of transporting a giant dump truck through rugged roads and steep hills is a pinnacle challenge of the oversized and overweight transportation industry. On a specialized vehicle with superior traction, the heavy convoy weaves through each dangerous bend where even the slightest mistake can lead to disaster. In the midst of wild nature and harsh terrain, the driver must demonstrate steel-like courage and absolute precision in every operation. This is not only a display of mechanical strength, but also a vivid demonstration of the spirit of conquest and superior skills in the heavy transportation industry. The special vehicle carrying the super-large tanker suddenly overturned while traveling through a dangerous road, causing the entire transport team to be shocked. However, thanks to the quick support and excellent skills of the rescue team, the vehicle was reassembled and continued its arduous journey. Moving the crawler crane onto the transporter was a real challenge. With its enormous weight and cumbersome tracks, maneuvering the crane into position required extremely precise coordination between the driver and the support team. Every move had to be carefully calculated to avoid slipping or losing balance. With steep terrain and limited floor space, tension was building as the crane slowly moved onto the trailer, and even the slightest mistake could have caused a serious accident. The journey to load the loader onto the specialized transport vehicle is a test of the team's nerves. On the narrow and slippery surface of the trailer, the giant steel block slowly crawls up, each wheel struggling to maintain balance. Under the decisive command and experienced skills of the driver, the loader gradually conquers the dangerous slope. Every second is a battle of wits between man and gravity, where there is no room for error. The bulldozer, weighing tens of tons, slowly climbed onto the specialized transport vehicle, facing the dangerous incline and challenging floor. Every throttle press and every steering adjustment required absolute precision, as even a few centimeters of deviation could cause the entire machine to slide off the trailer. The roar of the engine and the sound of the steel chain rubbing against the floor resounded tensely, while the driver held the steering wheel firmly, determined to overcome the heavy challenge, safely bringing the steel warrior into the transport position. Breathtaking moments like this are the spirit of heavy transport. If you are also fascinated by the power and ingenuity behind each trip, don't forget to like, share the video, and follow the channel so you don't miss the next impressive journeys.